In this video, we're going to look at using internal forms and note templates for workflow. An internal form is just like a normal web form, but it can only be submitted by a user inside Infusionsoft. While creating process workflows, especially task-based workflows, a well-placed internal form can create a time-saving experience for the Infusionsoft user, thus improving productivity. A note template is like a big red automation button. Anytime we need to automate or track something and we aren't sure how to do it, we can create a note template. Applying a note template can trigger an email, a task, the application of a tag, and so on. Many of the videos in later courses are going to be leveraging internal forms and note templates, so understanding the experience of using these is a key understanding when we're talking about building good experiences in workflow. In this video, we're going to talk about using internal forms on existing contacts, using note templates on existing contacts, and adding a new contact via internal form. To submit an internal form, you're going to want to go to the contact record directly and scroll down into the task section and the form submission area. To the right, there will be a drop-down where you can select the form that you want to fill out. Select the form and click Fill Out. Input the information that's needed and then hit Save. Submitting an internal form will update the contact fields provided by the user and trigger any associated automation. Applying a note template is very similar. Again, when we're looking at the contact record, in the Tasks tab, scroll down to the Notes section. To the right, there'll be a drop-down where you can select a note template. When you click Add Note, it'll apply the note with the predefined information to the contact's note history and trigger any associated automation. As far as notes, if we click Add Note without selecting a note template from the drop-down, in this pop-up window, the user can manually type a note, select a template, or do both from here. Even if you select a template and adjust the notes, when you hit Save, it'll still trigger the same automation. As far as using an internal form to add a new contact, when you go to Add a Contact, you'll be able to select which form you want to fill out. If there is a date type on the form, the user can put their cursor in the date field and press I on a keyboard. And this is going to bring a pop-up of keyboard shortcuts. These allow you to quickly and easily adjust and change dates. Anywhere where there's a date field inside the system, this will work. Especially if you use dates greatly, it can improve your productivity. So learn those shortcut keys. You can also apply a note template or an internal form from My Day. And to see how to do this, look at the video later on in this section. In the next video, we're going to talk about creating great user experiences with tasks.